Okay, so I'd love to explore naval radiation today. We're going to come to roll onto our back on an outstretched blanket with no mat underneath us. And I'd like for you to take your arms wider than shoulder width, but up over the head, and the legs out wider than hip width. Take a few moments to really yield down into the ground. Have a wriggle, have a shuffle, and make yourself comfortable. As you take your awareness to your breath, can you notice that rise and fall of your belly? With each inhale, can you explore this sense of spaciousness? And with each exhale, can you invite a sense of release or condensing down into the ground? Now we're going to play with finding this deep connection to our center, to our belly, pelvis. And we're going to do that by making some rolling movements. So firstly, let's just find this connection through all of the limbs in the body. So just noticing the neck and head, and then traveling all the way down through your spine towards your tail. Now taking your awareness out into your right arm and your left arm. And then traveling down through into your right leg and your left leg. And all of these limbs are connected through your pelvis or your belly. And this is what we're interested in exploring today, is finding this connection to our belly, to our pelvis, as we move and breathe. So with your inhale, I want you to once more invite this sense of spaciousness. And as you exhale, can you imagine that you're drawing everything in towards your belly, towards your pelvis? So as you roll over onto your left-hand side, you're thinking about the belly really initiating the movement as that right arm's going to travel over across the blanket and the floor so that you curl into a fetal position on your left-hand side. So elbows and knees moving in towards each other. Take a couple of breaths there. Whenever your next inhale happens, can we find that spaciousness once more to reach out with the limbs, with the arms and legs, head and tail, to draw ourselves onto our back in that X shape once more. And again, there's no hurry, just take your time. Whenever your next exhale happens, sending your mind, your awareness into your belly, into your pelvis, and feeling like you're drawing everything inwards towards your belly and your pelvis as you roll onto the right-hand side, drawing the elbows, the knees in towards each other, maybe tucking the chin in towards the chest a little. And imagining your belly or your pelvis initiating the movement once more as you inhale, opening up, finding that spaciousness on your back once more.